So, good morning. I know it's a Monday morning, but hopefully everyone had a nice weekend and is ready to get the week started. If I haven't met you, my name is Melissa Kotrys. I'm CEO of Contexture. We're the largest health information exchange in the Western U.S., and we are really happy to have you here today. I want to welcome you to our 15th Summit and Trade Show, our 15th annual. We've had this since a year before I joined the organization, and this year our theme is Creating Connections, Improving Lives. That's actually also our tagline for the organization, and it really goes a long way into describing the work that we do. When we went through our branding process for Contexture last year, I really felt connected to this tagline because we really do create connections in a number of different ways, not just the electronic interfaces that we create and the data that we share, but we create connections throughout the year in forums like this, in bringing organizations together, in really working together as a community to solve problems, and through all of our different services across both of our states, Arizona and Colorado. Through doing that, we really do improve lives. We improve lives through the quality improvement work that we do with practices to better serve their patients across Colorado. We do that through patients uploading their advanced directive documentation to the Arizona Advanced Directives Registry, and of course we do that through all the information that is shared day in and day out throughout both states through our HIE services. If you don't remember this from when we announced our new name, Contexture, last year, Contexture actually is a word, and it has a meaning that relates to linking or weaving disparate pieces or parts together to form a connected whole. So again, goes to that underarching foundation of what we do every day as an organization. We're going to get a little more into the details of our updates for Contexture later, but we continue to grow as an organization. We have close to 1,100 participating organizations today in Arizona, which is fantastic, significant growth since we were at about 75 organizations in late 2015. And because of that, healthcare providers across our two states can access real-time information to be able to improve the lives of the patients and populations that they care for. So for the next 2 days, we're going to have a ton of fantastic sessions to share with you. We're going to learn more about our shared successes and our lessons learned over the past year, and really talk about some of the amazing opportunities that we have ahead of us to reconnect with each other this week and to work together in the coming weeks and months to continue to advance individual and community health and wellness. So today we're going to kick off with our keynote speaker, Ellen Lukens, who's the Deputy Director at the Center for Medicare and Medicaid Innovation, CMMI, within CMS. She's going to share what's happening at CMS and CMMI, their vision, and what's to come for the healthcare community. But I have a few housekeeping announcements and updates before we kick off with the keynote this morning. After the keynote, we're actually going to hear a number of different sessions throughout the day. Morgan Honey, our Executive Vice President, and I will present an update on everything that's happening at Contexture. It's like a whirlwind of updates in about 30 to 35 minutes. You're going to hear about advancing health equity through population health practice and data analytics. You'll hear about using HIE data in value-based performance contracts, different innovations in integrated care, and really how public health data can transform and support health equity in the future of health information exchange. Tomorrow, we're going to have the HIE Excellence Awards and a number of additional sessions. As you can see on your tables, you have QR codes, and you can access the digital version of the agenda and all the speaker information there. I want to take a moment and thank our sponsors. They really are what support this event and make it possible to hold this fantastic conference each year. Our gold sponsors this year are Mercy Care and Sonora Quest Laboratories. Our breakout session sponsors are Banner University Health Plans and Banner Medicare Advantage and Desert Financial Credit Union. Our breakfast sponsor is Plaza Healthcare. Our break sponsors include Blue Cross Blue Shield of Arizona and Unite Us. And our silver sponsors include the Arizona Health Information Management Association, the Arizona Hospital and Healthcare Association, eHealth Technologies, El Rio, eVigils, Grand Canyon University, and United Healthcare Community Plan.